Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to open an application in Windows 11 and receive error code 0xC0000135 stating the application failed to start correctly, your system is missing essential .NET Framework components. This is frequently caused by a glitched Windows update disabling the feature. I will show you exactly how to reinstall these components and fix the error right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for this specific error is that the .NET Framework 3.5 was accidentally disabled in your core Windows features. Open your Windows Start menu, type Windows Features into the search bar, and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the small window that appears, look at the very top of the list for .NET Framework 3.5, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Check the empty box next to it so it is completely filled in, click OK, and allow Windows to automatically download and apply the missing files. Next, if the graphical menu fails to download the framework or the box was already checked, you must force Windows to rebuild it using the deployment tool. Open your Start menu again, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the exact command DISM /online /enable feature /feature name NETFX3 all and press Enter. Allow the process to reach 100%, which forces Windows to pull a fresh copy of the framework directly from Microsoft servers. Then restart your computer. Finally, if the error immediately started happening after a recent system update, a known bug in certain cumulative patches actively breaks these .NET applications. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Windows Update on the left sidebar, and click on Update History. Scroll down to the bottom, click on Uninstall Updates, and look for the most recently installed cumulative update at the top of the list. Click the Uninstall button next to it, confirm the removal, and restart your PC to roll back to a stable version of the operating system. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.